Hi guys, in front of me is Black Shark 5 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone gallery, then pick the contact that you would like to block, select more and go to block numbers. And if you truly want to block this number, click on block and that's it. Then whenever you wish to release the blockade, tap on more icon and select unblock numbers. Tap on unblock and that's it. You can also set some general rules. Just tap on more icon in your contact panel, then select settings, go to unblock numbers, and as you can see here, you can block all unknown colors, or you can add some number manually by yourself. And that would be all. This is how call blocking looks here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.